Welcome to Yoga for You, a channel tailored to helping you discover your very own unique yoga practice.
Hi and welcome back to Yoga for You. My name's Amanda and this is the final class for our 4-part series. It's called Let It Flow. Oh, if you did the previous classes in other days or maybe you've done them all today, you're really going to see everything come together, and we're just going to kind of go breath by breath. If you didn't do the other classes, it's not a problem. This is just a really fun class to get into your body and not be so much in your head about it. So I hope you enjoy it. Child's pose. Tuck your toes. Shift your hips back to your heels. Bring your arms out in front of you. Palms together, forehead to the mat. Drop into your breath. Check in. So inevitably with life, we have so many different things, so many different layers. Things we have to attend to, hard decisions we have to make, easy moments, rough night's sleep, or a lot of responsibility. And so those things, they don't just go away. You don't have to push them. So for your practice today, try to harness everything that happens in your life, all the energy from it, and allow it to flow into your practice. And bring your arms forward and allow yourself to round up to hands and knees. Spread through your fingers. Lengthen through your torso. Press down through your palms and grip your fingertips. Inhale. Fly your tailbone, your mid-back, your upper back, and gaze forward. Exhale. Curl your tailbone, round your mid-back, round your upper back, and tuck your chin. Inhale. Fly your tailbone, mid-back, upper back, gaze. Exhale. Round, mid-back, upper back, chin. One more time. Inhale, fly. Exhale, round. Inhale, fly. Exhale, lower your chest and chin to the floor. Inhale to rise back up. Exhale, round. Inhale, fly. Exhale, child's pose. Bring your hands a little bit more forward. Give yourself more space. Inhale, round forward. Exhale, lower chest and chin to the floor. Inhale, rise. Exhale, round. Inhale, fly. Exhale, child's pose. One more time. Inhale. Exhale, chin and chest to the floor. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, round. This time, inhale, fly. Exhale, downward facing dog. And hold here. Little bend to the knees. Press through the big toes. Light up the inner lining of your legs and really press through your palms and reach your hips up and back. And now let's inhale, round forward, lift your heels, engage your thighs, and bring your shoulders over your wrists. Exhale, bend the knees, fly your tailbone, and glide back to downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your heels, engage your thighs, round forward. Exhale, bend your knees, fly your tailbone, glide back. And this time, inhale, round forward. And exhale, we're gonna hold. So gather all your strength, harness all that energy, bring it into the core. And give yourself that sense of purpose in this pose. And then exhale, down dog. Inhale, lift your right leg high. Exhale, we're gonna step the right foot forward, lifting the knee into the chest. And lower the back knee. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, glide your hips back and your arms out to your side. Inhale, come forward, high lunge. And exhale, arms out like wings, and just lean forward for this one. Inhale, rise back up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, round forward. Exhale, lower knees, chest and chin. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, down dog. Other side. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, foot forward. Back knee down. Inhale, rise. Exhale, shift your hips back. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, just lean forward, bring your arms out. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, round forward. Exhale, lower knees, chest, chin. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, down dog. Take a couple breaths here. You can always lower for child's pose instead, but see if you can stay. See if you can stay with the discomfort of sensations, or if your mind is kind of all around. And just use your breath to ground into the moment. And then we're gonna add. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, step your right foot forward. Back knee down. Inhale, rise. Exhale, shift back. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, arms out, lean forward. Inhale, lift up, airplane. And this time we're gonna inhale, come right up to standing. Bring the left knee up and high. Flex your left foot. Bend your right knee and cross your left ankle over your right thigh. And then bend into that right knee. So you start to feel a stretch in your left hip. And then maybe bring your arms up. Elevate the shoulders, but let there be space in the neck. Soften your gaze. Breathe. And then we're gonna inhale, rise up, kind of like you're pulling yourself with a string. Straighten out your left leg. And then exhale, shift it back, airplane. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, round forward. Exhale, lower knees, chest, and chin. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, knee into chest, step the foot forward. Bring your back knee down. Inhale, rise. Exhale, shift it back. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, arms out like wings, lean forward. Inhale, airplane. Good. Exhale, ground. Inhale, come to standing. Lift your right knee up. Flex your foot. Cross the right ankle over the left thigh and start to bend into the left knee so you're sitting back. Keep here. Maybe raise your arms and breathe. Soft gaze. And then like you're pulling yourself up with strings, inhale, come up, lift the knee high. Maybe straighten out that leg. And then exhale, shift it back into airplane. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, lower knees, chest, and chin. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, down dog. Deep breaths. And we're going to do that one more time, breath by breath. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, knee to chest, step it forward. Back knee down. Inhale, rise. Exhale, shift back. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, shift forward. Inhale, airplane. Exhale. Inhale, come to standing. Exhale, sit low. Cross the ankle over the thigh. Inhale, rise up, straighten the leg. Exhale, airplane. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, lower knees, chest, chin. Inhale, rise. Exhale, down dog. Breath by breath, stay with it. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, foot forward. Knee down, inhale, rise. Exhale, shift back. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, shift forward. Inhale, airplane. Exhale. Inhale, rise. Exhale, cross the ankle, sit low. Inhale, lift up, straighten the knee. Exhale, airplane. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, lower knees, chest, chin. And this time, you're gonna curl forward to come onto your belly. And straighten your legs. Spider your fingers and lift your elbows high. Press down through the tops of your feet and engage your thighs. Press your pelvis into the floor and pull in and up through your pelvic floor. From here, take a big inhale breath into your chest. Tuck your chin and let your shoulders go forward a little bit. And then as you exhale, pull back with your fingertips and let your heart slingshot forward and down. We're gonna do that twice more. Press down through your feet, engage your thighs. Inhale, puff up. Exhale, slingshot it down. If you want to bring your hands a little bit further back, you can. Inhale again. Exhale. Good. And then from here, bring your hands by your chest. Inhale, press up. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale, turn around forward. Exhale, child's pose. And we're gonna do that 2 more times, but I want you to go at like your softest, not your deepest, your softest and most fluid, okay? So maybe let's do it 3 more times, really chill. So inhale, exhale, inhale, Exhale. Even slower, inhale. Exhale. And this time you're gonna walk your hands back. And bring your hands on top of your thighs with your palms facing up and close your eyes. And then we're going to find our way onto our back this time. So have a seat, bend your knees, arms forward. Very slowly roll all the way down. And just kind of melt here. Maybe extend your legs out. Relax your shoulders, your thighs, your belly, your breath. I have a favorite quote right now. And I might butcher it a little bit, but it's by Robin Sharma. It says, "All change is messy in the beginning, chaotic in the middle, and beautiful at the end." So if you felt that in your practice today, then you are in the process. And it's all wonderful. Remember, you can stay. I actually recommend you try and stay for as long as you can, to just sit with it all. And very, very slowly, just bring some awareness back into the body. Bend your knees. And roll over to one side. Press yourself up. Finding a comfortable seat with your eyes closed and your hands at heart. I hope you got something out of this practice in some way, shape, or form, and that you carry it with you into the rest of your day. Namaste.